Hello and welcome in another SNS tutorial. Today we have a Golf 7 and we show you how to remove the MIB2 head unit. Now, normally these systems are separated, so you have a screen which is here and the main head unit that sits here. So let's show you now how to remove this system from the glove box. So the first thing you need is the removal keys, which are widely available online, that you need to put into the slots that are located in each bottom corner of the head unit. So you have to slide them in and then the unit will be released from the position where it's sitting. Slide 1 and 2, you hear the clicks. Now it's ready to be pulled. You can gently pull it so you know it is ready. And as you can see, the locking mechanism is pushed in. So that means it allows the unit to be taken out from the locked position. We pull it all the way out and it reveals all the connections at the back. So we've got a power connection, speakers and all that here, and then video and antenna connections on the other side. So what we need to do now, we need to flip the units upside down so we can then start taking all the connections out. And here, we usually start with the power connector. So we remove first this is the quad lock. It's got a little pin that you need to push from the top, which will release the whole lever that holds it's in place. And then you just slide it out and then the whole connection just comes out easily. There you go. Next, we have all the connections as mentioned before. So we start again from the HSD connections. These are for the video and USB and all that. So we're gonna start with removing these first. These have little pins that you need to push and it comes out one by one. So you push that pin and then you pull the plug from the socket when it's sitting. You do the other one, the same thing. Next, the blue one is the GPS antenna. So again, the same thing, you need to push the white pin down, which will release. First you slide it out and then you push it down, so then it releases from the connection where it's sitting. Next, we have the antenna connections. This is the FM. So again, push the little pin down and it just comes out. And the last is the DAB connection. And then again, you push it and then it releases. And there you have it. The unit is released, ready to go. Then you release the keys by pushing the metal pins again, and then that will release the key easily out. And then the unit is ready out from the car and can be sent over to us for diagnostics. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one. Bye bye.